Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube how to use Adfly video. What I'm going to get you to do is quickly just click the link in the description below and you're going to use your email to sign up with Adfly. Once you sign up with Adfly, you're going to take the link that you desire, could be any link. Whenever you're trying to redirect someone to a different site, you take that website, you want to type it in here at the top where it says shrink, where I've typed facebook.com, and then when you shrink that link, it's going to give you a different link, and this is the link that you're going to want to post. You post this link instead of posting the original, and you'll make a commission off of the advertisement that they see. They see 5 seconds worth of advertisement, and then they're just on their way to where you were sending them. So keep in mind that this is great for reviews and any sort of YouTube or Facebook or Twitter account where you are regularly sending people to look at pictures, any sort of external website. You can use this and you can be making money, almost doubling your money, if not more than double your money using Adfly. So just sign up using the link below and you'll see you have to save $5 before they pay you out, but they pay out every, I think it's 2 times, once or twice a month, and as long as you have that minimum $5 threshold, that $5 will get put into your PayPal or your Payoneer account, and this does work worldwide. You can use this in most every country. I'm not sure of any country that you cannot use it, as long as you can use Payoneer or PayPal, which I'm sure Payoneer works everywhere. So if you can use Payoneer, then you should be able to use Adfly to start making a living or even just some side money. It will be a great opportunity. Thanks, like and subscribe if you liked this video, if you found it helpful.